Hi guys, today we talk about how can you control neighborhood device on your iPhone. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. All you have to do is first you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on accessibility here, just click on it. You come to next step, it's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on control neighborhood devices here. And here you just click here on control neighborhood devices. Then automatically it's going to search for your neighborhood devices here. When you it's going to show for you, you click on it. Then automatically it's going to connect or control with it. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.